This is the Stitch Cafe. We are at part 2 of our baby booties. We stopped previously at our 3 rows of double crochet. Now for row 5, we are going to slip stitch over 7 stitches. So we're going to decrease. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our hook right there. Hope you can see that. And we're just going to slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have this nice finished edge right here. Now we're going to chain 3, 2, 3, and we're going to do double crochet again, but we're going to stop 7 stitches from the end. Alright, so this time we are going to do a double crochet right here in that stitch. I'm going to do that and leave 7, stop from 7 stitches from the end of the row. Apologize for all the other noises in the background if you hear notifications. Slow it down a little bit. We're still doing that same stitch double crochet. So this baby booty is very easy because it's the same stitch. There's no change in what stitch you're using. So remember, you're going to stop 7 stitches from the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got 2 left. And this is row 5 that we are working on right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, so that's the top of our baby booty. Because as you can see, we're going to fold this over eventually, and that's what's making it. So this is better than crocheting in the round, which I personally have a hard time doing. So now I'm going to turn my work. I'm going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do double crochet all the way down again. Just refresher, this counts as my first double crochet, so I'm going to put my first stitch right there, and it's the second one. Must be my husband's phone that has the notifications. So if I'm going too fast, it's because it's just the same stitch, double crochet. And I got 2 stitches left here. You hear that in the background. It's my husband watching Enterprise. He's a big Star Trek fanatic, and he has a show he does on YouTube on Monday nights called Let's Talk Star Trek, if you'd like to stop by there and listen to him and the guys talk about Star Trek. It is not PG, so it is probably more like rated R because of some of the language. So that's the end of row 6. So I'm going to turn my work, and we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. and we're going to do double crochet again all the way down. And here we go. And the yarn has changed into this darker pink, which is really nice. I think it's always a mystery to see when the yarn is going to change colors when you're working with variegated yarn. Thank you. Here comes a puppy dog. I have a husky mix and a German shepherd mix. There's big babies. Alright, we're coming to the end here of this last row. And don't forget, make sure you always get that last stitch. Alright, so at the end of this video, we have decreased by 7 stitches, and we've done 1, 2, 3 rows of double crochet. This is the end of part 2. Come back for the end of part 3. Come back for part 3 on how we're going to finish this booty.